What up, what up? Got some subs. This is a Death Bonce 3015R. This is gonna be the dual one version. We're just gonna do an unboxing of it right here. Just got them in. First time opening the box. Got a few layers of cardboard. Oh yeah. Let's see. We'll get to it. Oh. So, sticker, manual, this piece of paper, you want to keep this because right here, it's got what it is and it's got a serial number. So you need this for your warranty. So don't throw that sheet of paper away. If you need a warranty for it, you need to send that sheet of paper, or I suggest make a copy so you still have a copy of the original. Just to be safe. Bunch of cardboard. Wood frame in here, holding these in. Ugh. Oh yeah. Got some plastic. You'll need a Phillips bit. Either a number 3 or a number 2 will work. It's just bolted in on the bottom side. It's got a wing nut. And it should just turn. There we go. So these subs have a 3-inch coil. They're rated for 2800 watt RMS. They will take more than that. They got they have, pull up. Oh yeah. Carbon fiber dust cap, pressed paper cone. You know it's got a fat surround. The ring is flat, so you can invert these and just leave it like that, because since it's flat, it'll make a seal, which is very nice. It's got huge 4-gauge push terminals, woven leads in the spider. I don't know if you can get in there to see the coil, but it is a flat black coil. I'll get a close-up picture and put it in just a second. But these things are a beast. They weigh about 70 pounds a piece, and they are a budget-friendly sub. They only cost about $560. So compared to a lot of subs out there for the same power rating, you know, they're usually about double this. Every time you open a brand new sub, you always want to double check the impedance. So get your multimeter, set it on ohms. It's the one that looks like the omega sign. Just push your push terminal up, stick the leads in there. Don't touch the speaker, because if you touch it, it'll move. You gotta be very quiet when you do this part. So 1 ohm. So watch this. If you touch it just the slightest bit, it moves. And I mean, I'm just talking about just touching it. Moves. And always, after you get them wired up, check your final impedance at your amp before you turn anything on, just in case you messed something up. But great budget-friendly sub, custom basket. If you want to see what these monsters do, we are hooking up 9 of them. So get down in the comments and let me know what you think about them. If you tried this sub or this brand before, let me know what you got in your system. Hit that like and subscribe. and stay tuned to see what these 9/15 and a 6 order do. We're putting them on 3 8Ks at 0.66. Holla at your boy.